Do not interfere! You cannot break
Stop
the
cast.
grasp.
Bait.
Get away while you can! Don't make me do this!
Stop cast.
Shoot him.
No one is safe!
Bait.
Get away while you can! The burden is more than you can bear. Don't make me do this! No one is safe!
Bait.
No one is safe! You cannot break the void's grasp.
Bait.
Get away while you can!
Oh.
No one is safe! Get out of my head! Get out! Look out! The ground is breaking.
Alright.
Hey, camera.
Shoes down attack! Release her!
You receiving it?
Yeah, I just thought we'd all rather look at a black.
Enough posturing, Alaria. It's time to embrace what you truly are.
You cannot break the void's grasp.
Bait.
Get away while you can! I never miss a shot.
Big move ranged. And go back.
Bait.
I never miss a shot.
Can stand next to puddle.
You cannot break
Rips.
the grasp.
Bait.
Get away while you can!
Back to drop.
Arrows through ads and boss.
Can be next to puddle.
Bait.
Good baits.
Arrows through boss. And gate.
Okay, range ad is on the other platform.
Bait.
Get away while you can!
Careful melee. Might phase.
Yep, get
Yep.
away from edge, get away from edge, get away from edge.
Stay out.
Fake.
And in.
He's lost control! Defend yourself! Her power is... I will see Zalatat slaughtered!
Swole ZamZ with instant breaks here.
Now you're pinned down. The burden is more than you can bear.
Watch obelisks.
Second pots.
Bait.
Get away while you can!
Puddles.
Go to
Okay,
middle.
mid.
I told you to hold still. You cannot break the void.
Wait. Ranged.
Watch obelisks.
melee.
Don't point it. Don't point. Don't. Do not point towards group. Obelisks.
On circle. Defensives.
Go now.
SLT.
Break.
Go ahead and break.
You were warned.
Kill ad.
Take. Interrupt. Now. On ad. Regular platform, guys.
Bait.
Get away while you can!
All range should be on Rift Chrome. Alright, finish off Demiar.
Now
Finish off Demiar. We can't come mid
Everyone.
yet.
Everyone on ad.
Keep-
Everyone on ad in middle.
Gotta kill this ad.
you cannot break the void's grasp. I will see Zalatat slaughtered.
Alright, we're going across. We can range break, just whoever's left.
All of this is your own doing.
Jump across. Jump. Right, just kill ad. Kill boss. Kill boss.
Can you take the ad to mid? Somehow?
Just
Everybody on boss.
Just kill it.
Bait.
Must be.
Hell
Never
yeah.
mind, come back here.
Good job, Twisted. You and I just hold hand over there.
Yeah, I'm like, well, if I pop right now,